Modern agriculture requires farmers to work more efficiently than ever. So naturally, equipment manufacturers have to innovate constantly to meet those needs. Brandt has been building and selling top-performing grain handling equipment for over 80 years. And we can confidently say that smart, customer-focused innovations have been the key to our continued success. We know how important productivity and dependability are when it's time to get the job done. And with the all-new XT Series grain cart, we demonstrated that maximizing efficiency doesn't have to be complicated.
The XT grain cart is a brand new product line from Brandt that we released last year. It's replacing the XR grain cart product line that we had in the market for 10 years. And the XT was really us, the company, understanding that the industry has been changing over the last 10 years, and so our product line had to change with it. So we recognized that we could change our product with the market and deliver a product that had market-leading customer value at the same time. We implemented our new PDP, our product development process, so it really allows us to ensure that what we're delivering is what customers want. So generally, when a customer is deciding which grain cart they're going to buy, the first thing is, what size is it? How many bushels can it carry? How many tons of product can it carry? Once you go from there, you start to look at all of the features and functionalities, beyond that. When we're looking at a grain cart, three things we really focus on are efficiency, ease of use, and reliability. It's not just, having customers tell us something, it's having a conversation with customers. We're not just having them fill out a form and say, this is what we want, right? It's a conversation with customers to ensure that we understand them, not just are hearing them.
The three primary benefits that we were able to validate through our development process were focusing on delivering efficiency, ease of use with the product, and ultimately creating confidence in the reliability of the product. A key aspect of the XT grain carts is our auger design. We have managed to purpose-build this entire cart in order to achieve three key measurements from our auger. The first place we started is putting the auger as far out from the side as possible to increase our clearance from the side of the grain cart to the grain trailer you'll be filling. We have over 9 feet of extension. The next thing that we have focused on is creating over 13 feet of clearance to the bottom of the spout. This way you can clear high semi-stacks or high trailers without any obstruction with the spout itself, keeping you safe and moving fast. The last thing that we have done that really sets the XT series apart from the rest of the field is moving the auger as far forward as possible, over 8 feet from the hitch point to the front of the spout. This puts it directly in line with the side of the tractor, so that way the operator is always keeping their eye on the spout while grain is flowing. We've also added a 2-speed cushioned fold cylinder that gives us a fast fold and unfold speed, but at the same time, it slows the entire auger movement at both ends of its fold and unfold, so that way it's never impacting the side of the tank when cradling and causing stress on the tank. We include features like 1/2-inch flighting to maximize the longevity of the flighting, and it's a double-pitched flighting to increase the grain flow, achieving those 600 bushels per minute. We have a 6-tooth drive coupler within the auger hinge to ensure we have a safe and smooth driveline engagement, never creating a shock to the system and causing unwanted damage to the driveline. We also have a 4-direction spout that gives us ultimate control in the grain flow when filling grain trailers, fast, efficient, and evenly. We also have an option of an LED flow gate indicator that keeps the operator's eyes directly on the discharge spout when unloading, so they're never looking backwards away from the flow of grain to see how fast they're unloading. The entire hitch has been designed for ease of use and efficiency during hookup to the grain cart. We started with a hose management arm here, which keeps all of our hoses nice and neat in a coil pack. We have color-coded indicators on the hose management arm that match our premium color-coded couplers on the hydraulic hoses, so you always know exactly which connections are performing what operation. We've incorporated a hydraulic jack for the ultimate in reliability and safety, but also increasing the ease of use when adjusting the hitch height for connecting to a tractor. To take advantage of the sophisticated manufacturing capabilities we have here at Brandt, we have purpose-built the entire undercarriage using custom-formed steel plate that's been robotically welded. And it allows us to put unique form and profile to the undercarriage system that gives us maximum clearance underneath the unit itself, but also puts the strength exactly where we need it. We offer a number of additional ease of use features like the joystick control, one-touch auger fold, and the auto lockout system that prevents the auger from folding when the PTO is running that are unique to Brandt, all because of our electronic control system. Our purpose-built axle design allows us to accommodate either the flotation tires or the track systems on one axle design. On the 820, 1020, and 1120 XT models, we also offer the option of an adjustable axle that allows you to adjust the wheel spacing to accommodate any crop type. Along with the auger design, the XT series sets itself apart in the industry through its tank design. We have industry-leading tank slopes on the interior to keep product flowing to the sump of the auger, as well as making sure that we have obstruction-free corners and support systems within the tank so there's no hang-up and every grain is emptied into the auger during every unload. The scale system offered on these carts includes a 5-point load bar system. You can see here they're all easily accessible using a flat bar load cell. Our modular tank design has allowed us to optimize the loading side height of all of our XT grain carts. This provides the ultimate clearance from the combine auger to create an obstruction-free loading experience. Because the XT series represents a ground-up redesign of our single auger grain cart, it allowed us to purpose-build these tanks to incorporate unique features like the ground access hatch. This is a major step forward in terms of the safety and ease of use of these carts because you no longer have to go up the ladder and over the side of the tank to access the interior, but rather you can safely open the hatch and access the inside for performing your end-of-season maintenance and cleanout. Because of our attention to detail in the design process and our customer validation, we truly believe that the XT series grain cart offers the maximum in harvest efficiency, ease of use, and reliability.
But most importantly, what did farmers think of all these changes? Since launch, the response to the XT grain carts has been overwhelmingly positive. Brandt's new XT grain cart delivered outstanding results for this year's harvest, and I would highly recommend it. The repositioned discharge auger gave my operator better visibility from the cab, so we can work more safely for longer hours. It's got huge auger reach, and the forward design makes for great visibility when unloading. Capacity is great, and the rear access door is a welcome addition.
This is a product that we have developed literally from the kitchen table, sitting down with customers. And we find that by having the customer input at every step of the way, the acceptance of the product when we launch it to market has been fantastic. It's certainly a great pride at the Brandt organization is our dealer network. We strive to attract and have the best dealers in every town or every city or every geography that we possibly can. Those dealers, on behalf of us or with us in a fantastic partnership, are the people we rely on every day to make sure the farmers are going and are supported in a proper manner. Being a dealer ourselves, we understand the importance of timely parts and service expertise right at the local level. We strive to provide the utmost best customer experience we possibly can. We offer 24/7 customer support, be it on the parts or service side, 365 days a year. And again, we understand that the farming economy or the farming business is extremely high-paced, time-sensitive, and we're always under a crunch, be it in spring or fall. Mother Nature doesn't wait for anybody, certainly doesn't wait for us or our customers. So with that in mind, we have the people and the processes in place to make sure that that customer experience is as good as it possibly can be. I believe what puts us apart from most of our competitors is that we have the widest breadth of products in the industry for a manufacturer of our nature. We can go right from spring to fall and all the way through the winter season with products that our customers and our dealers need. What sets us apart even further than that is all the backup behind the scenes from Brandt itself. And we find that we have an extremely loyal customer base based on our reputation, our longevity, and how long we've been in the industry. We take a lot of pride in the Brandt brand as a company, and we strive to improve on that every day. Our goal at Brandt is to be the completing line for our customers. Anything that they need to make their harvest or their planting or their grain movement more efficient, more productive, and ultimately more profitable is our goal. We have a large suite of engineers and product planners that work on that every day of the week, trying to understand customer needs, customer trends, different practices in the farming industry, and how we can be a part of that evolution. How can we make the customers more efficient? How can we make their lives easier? And how we can be more of a partner with them, not just today, but for many, many years in the future.
All told, the XT Series grain carts are a more efficient, easier to use, more reliable machine, complete with the quality you can expect from any Brandt product. It's also a great example of what you get when you listen to your customers. For more information on our XT grain carts and other Brandt agricultural products, visit brandt.ca or talk to a dealer near you.